Hey guys, today we're going to make braised and glazed, savory and sweet lotus fruit, and you're only going to need 1 minute to learn how to make this delicious, healthy side dish.
That's good.
Open up your pack of lotus fruits, pre-cut to 1/4 inch thickness. Give it a quick rinse and add 4 cups of water. Then add approximately 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Bring it up to a boil, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain. Add 1/3 cup of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar. 1.5 cups of water and let it come to a low boil. Add the cooked lotus fruits into the sugary soy mix and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. The liquid should reduce to about halfway. Once you get there, add 1/3 cup of brown rice syrup. Stir well and cook for about another 15 to 20 minutes until the roots are tender all the way through. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I added sesame seeds. Think of these as delicious and healthy vegetable pretzels.
That's good.